Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the virtual classes. As you all know, we are discussing lesson number 5, that is circulatory system and excretory system. Okay, we have done up with the circulatory system. I hope you all are very clear with the system, which is the very important system in the human body. Okay, the organs of the circulatory system are heart, blood vessels. Blood vessels are also having three types of them, that is arteries, veins and capillaries. That all these things we have already discussed in the previous video. Today the last part of the lesson, that is excretory system. Okay, as I told you while we have introduced the lesson, what is mean by excretion? Removing waste material from your body, that is called excretion. Okay, first of all we need to understand what is excretion. Okay, excretory word is there, so in that excretion, so excretion means exactly what? So excretion means whatever waste materials are there in our body that we are removing after a particular interval. Okay, we used to go to washroom. Okay, we used to excrete urine. Okay, all the waste in the form of water, in the form of urine, in the form of sweat, we need to remove the excess water of the body or waste water from the body, we can say. Okay, so this is called excretion. So what is excretory system? What is the function of excretory system, and what are the active parts of excretory system, we will be discussing today. Okay, let's start. Page number 54. Only introduction part is given there of excretion in your book. Okay, not in a very details. Okay, so excretory system remove the waste from our body. First of all, the system remove waste from our body. Excretory system remove waste from our body, that you need to understand first. Okay, then the organs of the excretory systems are, let us see which are the organs of excretory systems are. First of all, kidneys. Pair of kidneys I told you in the previous video. Pair of kidneys, we have two kidneys in our body. Okay, what is the function of kidneys, we will discuss now. Then pair of tubes called uterus. Okay, uterus. Then urinary bladder. Then we have urinary bladder. And the last part of this system is urethra. These are the parts of excretory system. Okay, first of all let us see kidneys. Kidneys are bean shaped organ which used to filter the urine inside our body. Urine needs to be filtered. Okay, whatever water we are drinking, okay, it is not get digested well, it is not forming the entire water into blood. Some water, the excess of water needs to be thrown out of the body. Okay, that we call waste. So kidneys are bean shaped organ. A pair of kidneys is present in the body. They filter the water, or we can say filter the urine. Bean shaped, that act like a filter in the body to collect harmful waste such as urine and excess salt from the blood. Okay, filtered the things and they act as a filter and they convert the water, excess water and excess salt into the blood. That is the main and the major role of the urine of the kidneys in your body. Okay. See, many times we might heard kidneys. One kidney fail, to second kidney the person can survive. There are pair of kidneys, and what is the function of the kidney? To filter the things, to filter the liquid things which is there in the body and to transfer into blood, or we can say the excess salt and water. Okay, the excess salt and water needs to be thrown out from the body with the help of urinary bladder. That is, we'll see in the next. The next, uterus. Now, what is the function of uterus? Okay, kidneys filter, kidney act as a filter. Okay, uterus, the pair of uterus is what? So uterus is nothing but the tube that carry waste from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Whatever the things are filtered by the kidneys and whatever remain, that is waste, needs to carry to the urinary bladder. So uterus is a pair of tube that carry the harmful waste to the urinary bladder. Okay, uterus needs to carry all the harmful things to the urinary bladder. Carry harmful waste. Carry harmful waste to urinary bladder. What is the function of uterus? Uterus is a pair of tube. Is a pair of tube carry the harmful waste from kidneys to urinary bladder. Okay, to urinary bladder. Now, urinary bladder is what? Urinary bladder stores the urine until is released from the body. We all know directly we are not feeling like we need to go for urine or we need to go for washroom. First of all, the urine gets stored in the body. The urine gets stored in the body. So up to now we have discussed, first of all, kidneys needs to filter the things. Then whatever harmful waste is there, after filtration, the useful things will go to the further process like making blood, nutrients, which is useful to our body, right? Now remaining is waste. Whatever waste is collected, whatever filtration happens with the help of kidneys, that harmful waste needs to be carried out by the uterus to the urinary bladder. Now urinary bladder store all the urine, all the harmful waste until it release from the body. Getting? So urinary bladder needs to store the urine until it releases the body. So store urine, you can say. The function of urinary bladder is store urine until it release. Store urine until it release from the body. And the last part is urethra, is a tube that lets out the urine from the urinary bladder and thus out of the body. Urethra is a tube that lets out the urine from the urinary bladder. Lets out urine for the lets out urine from the urinary bladder. That is the all about in the excretory system. Let us summarize. Excretory system remove waste from the body. Clear? It is the system which remove the harmful waste from the body. Now there are few organs which are included in this system, that is kidneys, pair of uterus, then urinary bladder and then urethra. Let us see what exactly each of the organs of the body perform. First of all, we will talk about the kidneys. Kidneys act like the filter. whatever water you are drinking, whatever liquid you are drinking inside the body, whatever intake is there in the liquid form needs to be filtered by the kidneys. It needs to be filtered by the kidneys. So what the kidneys function? They act like a filter. The important nutrients they use to separate, filter is what? And the waste material they need to carry. Now what is the function of uterus? A pair of uterus carry all the waste, harmful waste liquid material from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder needs to store all this urine until it gets released from the body. And at last, urethra is a tube-like structure, it lets out all the urine outside the body. Okay, means the last urethra lets out urine from the urinary bladder, and it will obviously ultimately it out of the body as well. Okay, so this is the excretory system. I hope you are very clear with it. Okay, so thank you. That's all for today. Next topic we'll discuss the exercise part of lesson number 5. So thank you and have a nice day.